Let's review the standard form of the equation of a hyperbola. So a horizontal hyperbola is going to be a hyperbola that opens to the left and to the right. So it's going to look something like this. And an equation of a horizontal hyperbola is x minus h squared over a squared minus y minus k squared over b squared equals 1. A vertical hyperbola is going to look something like this. And the equation for a vertical hyperbola is y minus k squared over a squared minus x minus h squared over b squared equals 1. Now, if you recall, HK is the center of the hyperbola. A is the distance from the center to each vertex, and B is the distance from the center to each co-vertex.